In this video, I would like to show you a process to prepare a pain oil at home in very much easy step. To prepare the oil, I took a very big crystal of thymol. You can see this is almost clear, and this is similarly looking to camphor. And you can see this is camphor powder. Now I am mixing these two in a small container. I have crushed the bigger crystal of thymol into smaller pieces, and now I am adding this into the container. Now I have mixed these two into sesame oil. Now I am making this oil in very less quantity. Now I am taking this diffuser to heat up the oil. Now you can see that I am heating up the oil. We have to be careful that oil should not boil much. The volny, thymol, whatever the crystals you are capable to see in the oil should be diluted carefully into the oil. Now here you can see slowly the crystals are dissolving into the oil as the oil is getting heated up. Here you can observe that I am not boiling up the oil. I am waiting for the thymol crystals to dissolve in the oil. You can see the thymol crystal got dissolved into the oil. Almost now only few crystals are there. While preparing the oil, we can feel a very good fragrance of thymol and camphor. This oil can be used for massage of sore muscles, arthritic joints or cramps. Now you can see almost all crystals of thymol are dissolved in the oil. I am preparing this oil in very less quantity, only to show you the process. I hope you like this video. I am process of making a simple pain oil. Let us meet in our next video. Thank you.